What if you could get an AI to analyze any stock just by texting it on Telegram? Watch this. I'll type AAPL in my Telegram bot, which is the stock symbol for Apple, and boom, a live stock chart plus a full AI-powered breakdown of trends, patterns, all in seconds. I didn't write a single line of code to make this happen. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this powerful stock analysis bot using Telegram, OpenAI, and n8n. No coding required. If you're into trading or automation, this video is for you. So stick around, and this one is going to blow your mind. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. We are going to build a technical analyst AI in just 3 parts. The first part is to set up the n8n automation platform. n8n is an automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services to automate tasks. This is where we'll build and run our automations, and you only need to set it up once. So we are going to do this in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to get the n8n hosting. Now there are 3 different ways that you can use n8n. The first option is to host n8n locally on your computer. This option is free, but it is more complex to set up. The second option is using WSK for hosting n8n. This is the quick and low cost way to host n8n. This costs just $14 per month or 1,170 Indian rupees per month. The third option is the n8n Cloud, which is the official platform by n8n. This costs around 24 pounds per month, which is approximately $27. So it's much more expensive and the features are limited too. In this video, we are going to purchase n8n from WSK, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since n8n is open source, you get much more benefits when you host it on your own platform like WSK. So to host n8n on WSK, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Choose Plan. Here, choose how long you want the hosting for. I'm going to choose 12 months. Also, choosing this option gives me the best price, which is $14 per month. Then fill in these details, enter your payment details, and click Checkout. So now we have successfully made the payment and got our n8n hosting. Now click here, and you can see that our plan is active. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up n8n. So to set it up, just scroll down and click Go to Setup. Here, fill in the details, click Next, and it'll take you to this page. So now we have successfully set up n8n and we have reached the n8n dashboard, which means we can now start creating our workflows. You have 2 options. You can either create a new workflow and then build the engine manually by adding each node one by one, or you can use the ready-made automation template, which lets you quickly import the workflow and lets you use the agent immediately. So to make things easier, I've created a workflow that does technical analysis automatically, and it's already available in WebSpaceKit. So let's move to step 3, which is to import the workflow template. To import the template, first we need to download the template. To do that, go back to this tab, scroll down, and here you'll find different workflow templates for various AI agents. Select the workflow you want, and since we are creating the technical analysis agent, let's select that and click Download. And it will be downloaded to your computer. Once you download the workflow template, to import it, go back to n8n, click Start from Scratch, then click here, select Import from File, upload the file you just downloaded. As you can see here, the workflow has been imported. Let's change the name of the workflow. Okay, as you can see in the workflow below, some of the nodes have warning signs, which means they still need to be set up before everything works properly. So let's go to part 2 of this tutorial, which is to set up the key workflow nodes. So to do that, we are going to do 2 steps. The first step is to connect Telegram to the workflow. So to connect it, click on the Telegram trigger node, then click here and select Create New Credentials. Here, enter the API key of the Telegram bot. An API key helps n8n to connect a Telegram bot and send or receive messages through it. So to get the API key, first we need to create a bot on Telegram. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Here, click Login by phone number, enter your phone number, click Next, enter the code you received on your mobile number, and you will be logged in into your Telegram account. Here, search for BotFather. Just click on it, and BotFather helps you create and manage all your Telegram bots. Now to create a new bot, click Start. And here you can see we have a list of commands that we can use to create and edit the bot easily. To create a new bot, click on /newbot, enter the name for the bot, I'm going to name it Technical Analyst Bot. Next, it'll ask for the username. Now make sure the username ends with bot. As you can see, we've created our Telegram bot and got the API key. So let's copy it. Go back to the workflow. Paste it here. And click Save. Now let's go back to Telegram and click on this link. You can see that we have created the bot and click Start to activate the chat. Okay, let's go back to n8n and close this. Now click Test Step. And as you can see, we've got this chat ID, which means our chatbot is working perfectly. Make sure you copy this and save it on a notepad, because we'll need this in the later part of this video. So now we have successfully connected Telegram to our workflow. Just click on Back to Canvas. So once you connect Telegram to the workflow, all the other Telegram nodes will automatically be connected and the error icons will automatically disappear on the Telegram nodes. Just open the node and you'll see that the credentials are already connected. Now that we have set up the Telegram nodes, next let's go to step 2, which is to connect OpenAI to the workflow. OpenAI will be used to analyze the Telegram messages that you send and send the response back to you. To connect it, click on this node, click here, select Create New Credentials, and here we need to enter the API key of OpenAI. To get the API key, click the link in the description, click Login, sign in with your Google account, and once you're signed in, click Create New Secret Key. Here enter a name for your API key and click Create Secret Key. As you can see, we've got the API key. Now just copy it, go back to this tab, paste it here, and click Save. Alright, so now we've successfully connected OpenAI to the workflow. Like we did before, just open the OpenAI nodes and make sure the credentials are connected. Okay, so now you set up both Telegram and OpenAI on our workflow, which means our main workflow is fully functional now. So now when you send a message to analyze a stock, it passes to the AA agent. The AA agent then forwards the request to the Get Chart node, which triggers the sub workflow where the technical analysis takes place. Now let's go to part 3 of this video, which is to make the sub workflow run. We are going to do this in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to connect 12 data to the workflow. Now this is the tool which is going to help us find the exchange name of the stock given by the user. So to connect 12 data, click on the node, then click here. Now here you need to enter the API key of 12 data. To get the API key, click the link in the description and it will take you to this tool. Here click Start Now. Sign up with your Google account. Now go to API keys, then click Reveal and you will get the 12 data API key. Just copy it, go back to the workflow and paste it here. So now we've connected 12 data to our workflow. Just close this and click Back to Canvas. Now that we've connected 12 data, next let's go to step 2, which is to connect Chart IMG to our workflow. This is the tool that we are going to use to generate the charts of the stock analysis and give us the chart. To connect it, open this node, scroll down, and here we need to enter the API key of Chart IMG. To get the API key, just click the link in the description. Now click Sign In and sign in with your Google account. Now go to API key, click Generate New Key, and as you can see, our API key has been created. So let's copy it, go back to the workflow and paste it here. And now the Chart IMG tool will be connected. So now we've connected the chart tool to our workflow. Okay, now you can see that the sub workflow also has Telegram and OpenAI nodes. Make sure you open the node and check if the credentials are added. Once you're done, let's go to the third step, which is to add the Telegram chat ID to the workflow. When someone sends a message to your Telegram bot, the bot receives it, but it doesn't automatically know who sent the message or where to reply. The chat ID is like a unique address which tells the bot where to send the reply. Since we've already got the chat ID in the second part of this video, let's open Notepad, copy the chat ID, open the Send Chat node, and paste the chat ID here. And now we have added the Telegram chat ID. So once you've completed all the setup, make sure you save the workflow by clicking here after you complete each setup. Okay, so now we've successfully set up the entire workflow and it is fully functional. So let's test the workflow and see how it works. First, go to n8n, click on test workflow to activate it. Now open the chatbot on Telegram. Type a message like stock analysis for Tata Motors and click send. Now this will trigger the workflow. So let's go back to n8n. And here you can see that the Telegram trigger has activated the workflow and it's running. And you can see that we've received the message on Telegram with the chart and the AI analysis. So let's open it. You can see it has analyzed the stock and given us the chart with the current price movement. Since we didn't mention any specific time frame, it has sent the 1 week chart by default. Now if you look at the chart, you will see a lot of small bars and these are called candlesticks. Each candlestick shows how the stock price moved in 1 week. So when we say it's a 1 week chart, it means each candlestick stands for 1 whole week of price activity. Okay, now let's try it again, but this time we'll specify the time frame as 1 day. As you can see, it has given us the chart and the analysis. So in just one message, we got both a visual chart and an expert style explanation in just seconds. Instead of spending time studying the charts manually, the AI spots the key trends and it explains what's happening in simple English. You can type in a stock name, choose a time frame, and even ask financial related questions, and it just gets it. So that's it, guys. This is how you can build a fully functional technical analysis AI using n8n. Now you can start building this workflow for yourself. The first step is launching n8n on WSK. To do that, just click here and it will take you to the same page that we saw in the first step. So go ahead and start creating your workflows. You can do a lot more in n8n. And we are making many more videos in n8n. So if you want to learn how to build a specific workflow, just leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. And we'll build it for you. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.